In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly manage your Etsy shipments by adding tracking information to your completed orders. This process is essential to ensuring your customers are informed and satisfied with their purchase experience. Let's dive right in and make sure every step is clear and easy to follow. First, you'll want to head over to Etsy.com and locate the Shop Manager icon. This is your go-to hub for managing all aspects of your shop from inventory to customer interactions. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look for the section labeled Orders and Shipping. This tab will direct you to where all of your order transactions are organized. Next, you'll be navigating to the Completed section of your orders. This is where you'll find all the orders that have been finalized and need tracking information added. Now, if you've purchased the shipping label through Etsy, you'll find the tracking number has already been filled in for those specific shipments, making your job a little easier here. However, for any orders that were shipped without using an Etsy label, you'll need to manually enter the tracking number. Let's move on to how you can add this information. For each completed order, look for the three dots, which act as a More Options menu. This is where you'll find the option to add a package. By clicking on this, you'll be taken to a page specifically designed to enter your tracking information. An alternative method you can use involves the clock icon, another route to ensure you're covering all bases. By selecting the clock icon, you can choose the complete option and then promptly enter the required tracking number. This gives you flexibility in how you choose to manage your shipments. It's important to note that if your order is already marked as completed and you're no longer seeing the option to add tracking there, don't worry. Just go to your orders and instead of clicking anything immediately, simply review the order page thoroughly. This is where you might find another opportunity to add in that crucial tracking number. Ensuring that tracking numbers are included and updated for your customers is more than just a procedural step. It's part of providing a seamless and transparent shopping experience. Customers appreciate knowing where their purchases are, and by following these steps, you can deliver precisely that level of service. With these instructions, you're well equipped to efficiently add tracking to all your completed orders. This small detail can significantly enhance your customer experience and set your shop apart as reliable and meticulous. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shipping on Etsy!